Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad from Watch, and we are back with another watch accessories review, right? So in front of you we have two Seikos that you guys know I love. I've owned this my Seiko Monster second generation SRP 313K1 for about, I don't know, 8 years now. So I bought this somewhere in around October 2014, and this one is being gifted to me by my wife from maybe around 2020, I think. So this is the Seiko Monster 4th generation, the SRP D25K1. I might be wrong about that, but yeah, it's memorizing this Seiko reference number is quite a bit of a challenge for me, but yeah, I think I'm correct there, right? So anyway, so both watches came with their own bracelet, style of bracelet. So when you see this style of bracelet, you'll immediately know that this is definitely a bracelet that came from a Seiko Monster. So there's no any other model in Seiko is using this particular style, or even any other brand that is actually using this kind of style of a bracelet. But the the biggest gripe for me of any any Seiko bracelet for that matter, so any Seiko divers watch bracelet, is their clasp, right? So I've took off the original clasp on both of these watches, but I'm just going to be showing you what bugs me the biggest about the Seiko clasp, right? So I think currently, if you guys are going for the $500 and below Seiko Prospect line, they all will come with this style of clasp, right? So where we have this fold over here with a double button pusher, right? So this is okay, this is stamped, so I'm not really I don't really complain about that much, because at this price point you can't really expect that much. But the most annoying bit about this particular is this what they call this diverse extension. So most of the time this diverse extension will hit I think it will be somewhere around here. So this thing always gets into my under my wrist, and it bugs me, right? So most of the time it will give some there will be some markings here that sometimes making it itchy after a few a day of use, right? So that is why I absolutely hate this this class, and most of the time I took off the bracelet from my Seiko Monsters and use it on straps, right? So that is until Saint Martin come, right? Anyway, let's wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my Saint Martin SM021B-3, so it comes on this excellent old style bracelet and with this excellent clasp, right? So this one is not I'm not going to be talking about this clasp, although you could buy this clasp for I think about around $35 if you so wish, but this one came in the 16mm width. But the Seiko Monster second generation, it comes with an 18mm tapering from 20mm to 18mm size here. So this one I've got a replacement clasp from Saint Martin with using this within this 18mm width, right? So you can see here that they are built really nicely. All of their clasp is milled, so we have brush finishing up top and polish beveling here, and the most importantly is this 6 micro adjust, right? So with this what do you call this, swing arm, right? So very nice click there, right? So and we have a fold over clasp here, so there's no marking, so making it easy to use on any other brand, any other bracelet for that matter, as long as they have an 18mm width, right? So you can see here, although the asking price for these things are about I think around $35 again. You don't get it during the during their current price. Maybe they will be discounted during the upcoming sale. So yeah, I think that is where you should get it, right? So of course, being an aftermarket product, so you expect and maybe some sharp edges here, but I don't really see it on mine. So yeah, it is basically built very nicely on all the sharp edges are being they have managed to reduce the sharpness of the clasp, so that is good. So this one is in 18mm, and for the SRP D25K1, it comes on a tapering. So this one is 20mm tapered out and tapered back, so 20mm, right? So you can see that the difference between these two bracelets is this point part at least. So it tapers abruptly to 18 millimeters here, and that is why I prefer the design of the 4th gen Monster bracelet, because it doesn't have that abrupt taper like this. Right, so but anyway, at this point it is in 20 millimeters width, 20 millimeters width. So I'm on the second hole here. I don't know why. Maybe there is a bit of difference between the dimension of this 4th gen Monster, but on this one I am on the first hole. Right, so anyway, that's that. So 20 millimeters in width, and yeah, again, similar finishing, brush finishing and polish finishing, polish beveling here, with no yeah, not really that, you know, annoying sharp edges on the clasp as well. Right, so nice click and very strong grip there. So this thing won't, you know, some of these, of course you could buy something cheaper than this, but you can see some, I have a few of them, but this bit, right, so sometimes they are not closed properly. So that is why you can see that the Saint Martins are built quite nicely, and you don't really see that problem on this particular class. Right, so let's just take off my SM02B-3 again. So if you want to get this one in any class, a 16 millimeters width class, so this is always maybe one of the options to go. Saint Martin didn't create anything in 16 millimeters, so we're using this style. So if you want something in 16 millimeters, you are stuck with this one, but it is an excellent class, by the way, but only it has this 4 micro adjust. So that's about it, guys. So let's just see how this the Seiko Seiko SRPD 25K1 looks on my wrist. Let's just do a quick wrist roll. Right, so there you have it. So nicely done there, very nice, and it gives that balance to this you know, quite a heavy bracelet. So on this, on the bracelet, it will weigh at about 175 grams. So yeah, that is why one of the other reasons I don't really wear bracelets from Seiko that much, because I don't really like the weight on the watch. Right, so on this one, let's just do another quick wrist roll. Right, nice click there. Okay, oops, that is the fault with the bracelet, not the clasp. Right, so yep, that is how it looks like. Very nicely done here. Somehow it matches the finishing on the Seiko bracelet, which is very good. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Of course, just one excellent product from Saint Martin here. So they are not only producing watches nowadays, but they also produce accessories for watches, and I think these are one of the few that you should be looking out. Right, so thank you very much, Saint Martin watch accessory store on AliExpress, for sending me these two clasps, and of course I will leave links down in the video description below if you guys want to check them out. So of course you can use my NMWatch5 discount code whenever you purchase $40 and above. You will get $5 discount, but of course do wait for the sales starting from 27th of June. Right, so if you guys like this kind of video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.